So I have a hypothesis that it's not actually the product teams anymore. Because my last 4 or 5 companies I've worked with, they're phenomenal in product at getting to the root problem and understanding what it is, where the problem becomes convincing everybody else. Because when we see a pain point in the company, whether it's from a business perspective, a market perspective, a customer perspective, the natural thing to do is to say, let's solve it, right? So I think as a company, our inclination is to want to dive in and put a Band-Aid over it, or maybe stitch up the wound. Sorry, lots of hospital metaphors today. We should switch to something better than that. But I think in product, that's something we've actually mastered. So I think what is on us as product ops is not getting product to be able to define problems. It's getting the rest of the organization to meet product in defining problems and understanding which are the right ones to invest in. It's one thing to define a problem. It's another thing to understand the impact that solving that problem would have on the business, on the market, on your users. And I think product is really good at defining the problem from what I've seen. I think we are getting better at making sure we make the right bet and we understand the impact of that bet and that we can measure that bet over time. But it's much more difficult to bring the rest of the company along. So I think there is this motion where product ops is bringing folks together into a common lane of understanding of what that problem is.